Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will give you an honest review of Windsurf AI, a new tool that helps you write code using artificial intelligence. Let's see if it's really good or not. Windsurf AI is a smart code editor. It means you can write code and ask the AI to help you. You can tell it to fix your code, make new code, or explain what something does, all by typing a simple message. It works with many programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and more. It also has a special feature called Cascade. This is like having a helper that knows your whole project and helps you make changes quickly. Sounds great, right? But many users say it has problems. Sometimes the app is very slow or even crashes. It can also change your code by itself even when you did not ask. People also say bugs stay for a long time and are not fixed fast. So yes, it looks cool but it's not perfect. So, is Windsurf AI worth using? Yes, if you want to try something new and fast for small coding tasks. No, if you want something stable and safe for big or important projects. Try the free version first and always double check your code. If this helped you, like the video, comment your opinion, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.